That's rather bow, man.
You don't see me, man.
I'm gonna grab at him, blood.
I'm gonna grab at him every day, man. Grab at him every day, come. Let's take him thing.
Yeah, man, I have him.
That's one.
Yeah, man.
Alright, get it. Make sure you see it, but you know. Here we go.
Eh? Use my thing.
That's a jack. It's about a 3 pound, 4 pound. You get it?
Yeah, man, I get everything, man. This arm,
Again. See me there?
yeah.
Just catch him. Watch it.
Them like cooler.
Come on. This one.
Record already.
This one. Big.
One more.
Yes.
World boss have none.
One more to the igloo.
Watch the rod.
This one feels big. Yeah. Big enough.
Jack in the Jamaican harbour.
Alright, deep that.
Or kingfish when I know it.
Okay. This is a monster, you know, man. What's up?
Rod now, bow. I probably want kingfish.
No, man, a big jack.
Big jack.
One boat, 5 of them.
New fishing rod at work for you. I'm gonna buy one.
See there?
I'll zoom in on it,
Yes.
blood clean.
This is a pen fierce.
Yeah.
Very good reel. You understand? Feel like a 12 pound, 10 pound.
Bend the rod good.
Whoa. A big jack. Big jack, man. Come closer and see if you see him. Yeah, man, with the most of me and the rat, you know?
Yeah, man.
When the fish come up now, you can't video him. Make sure you get everything now. How long that can video?
A good while.
I'm going underneath the boat now. Underneath the boat.
Shit.
Come again. I was so Sylvester them video, you know? Man. Yes, man.
Par sick out.
Hey, I am for
I kill a fish them for him. You alone I kill a fish.
Yeah, see it. No, your time soon come up, man.
You must tell them follow with all a deep sea to blood.
See the boy. See the rod?
Yeah, man.
Alright, man.
End up. Not yet.
This is
See him there?
yes, it's a 8 pound. This is a 8 pound size, or 10.
Grab at him, you know.
Yeah, man. Let's go on to him, see me.
Kill him, fisherman. Oh, shit.
Grab at him, man.
I'm gonna grab
It's
it.
a grab at. No, I'm grab at him, man. You get everything, man. Ready?
Yeah, man. Grab at him, man. Oh, keep.
Ah. And this look, this here is about a 10 pound fish, 10 pound jack. We call this one the Crivale jack. Okay, you get him?
Yeah, man, get him a...
All this is a treble hook. Once you hook him, can't get away. Right? Uzuri. One of the best bait you have here now.
Hey. Boat. Wash off.
That's another one. That's the third one. Get it?
Clad, bait that work.
Eh?
Bait that work.
Bad man, bait, bad man.
Ma come in?
Oh, come in here, but it's take long.
Ma pull the boat with
Pull the boat, let's see, pull the boat. Macam back connect lang. Go reach up, man. Hey, what's your rod? Easy, man. I wouldn't mind this one be a kingfish. What's the bird number? You know, say the jack them on them, enough, you know. Jack them. See them?
Yeah.
Alright, keep soon reach up.
Ma
Pass
come.
like a yellow enough to run. Catch one.
I'm gonna eat the banana chips.
Yeah?
I'm gonna eat the banana chips this morning. I'm so salt.
That's three already.
Yeah.
No.
I hear a day, man. When I hear a day, no, man. That's fishing.
This one feel big. This one feel like boats. A 10 pound, see me? Or a little over. But I'm full of harbour though.
They're close. Jack?
Yeah, Jack. See, like a big one too. You see? This one, hamburger. This one can't think, eh?
Not really.
No, the video not here.
May I say you're good?
No, it's good.
Samsung, you know?
Samsung. That's more want a phone like that though. Battery life good, huh?
Yeah, it take long for
You
charge.
have memory card in it?
Yeah, it take long for charge though.
Yeah, get to line. Had it right.
Yeah,
Watch
man,
it, just
yeah,
watch it.
man, watch it.
Just watch your right pin in it, right? Jack it bigger.
5 minutes we're gone now.
Come on, it must get jig, man, or something. Eh? Must get big or something, man. What? Big man. Bigger than the first one.
Monster Jack.
Monster man. Bigger one.
Get jig too.
Get him?
Yeah.
Bigger man.
Or poke him quick.
Big one.
Number 3. Fisherman.
Third one.
The master.
Third one. Good fight. Patrick, your time.
Bump on the line, Sick fish my catch. What's that?
King has, you know?
No, that's King has.
Most King has, man.
Close him come already.
Patrick, stand up, man. You know fish, man. You know seafood. Yeah, man, but you seafood, man.
Leg, man.
No, man, if a kingfish, you swap him, you know. You swap him for a kingfish, you know. Swap him,
You
man.
want to eat one?
Like a jack or kingfish.
A kingfish, man. You know, thing upon it. King has
Yeah,
a small jack.
yeah. Alright, hold him.
Hold him!
Hold him. Hold him.
Hold him!
Hold him. Hold on, we'll get a good for it, man.
Hold him!
Hold
Give
him.
him 2 spots, you know.
Eh?
Hold him!
Ah, lovely. Lovely. That's what? That's about a 8 pound?
Yeah, man, feel like about 8 or 6 or 7 pounds. Yes, can eat!
Virgin, look at that camera now, man. Fuck said, are you in, man?
I mean, you're Zori.
You're Zuri.
Yeah. King
Lovely.
has.
King has. Lovely. That's right. Wow.
Right, Mr. Maki, look for me.
Are you ready? Come again.